everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. I want to start before I do my show and tells. It's more of a show and tell video than it is a how-to, but I think you will find some inspiration in it. And I want to say a quick thank you to Gina from Perfectly Imperfect Crafts by Gina. She sent me this beautiful upcycled Deck the Year Challenge ATC, and she's all about the upcycling. So just a beautiful card. Thank you, and very much February Valentine's themed. She also sent me a lovely card. So beautiful card. Thank you so much, Gina. And then a lovely message, and for privacy I will just cover the personal message, but a beautiful single card and then again, just for privacy, I will cover the addresses. But she makes these and has a how-to tutorial on how to make this envelope. I will link that in my description below because this is super easy to make, and I just love this. So I went thrifting this weekend and found this. This is just, to me, amazing. For a lousy 99 cents, I was able to pick up these jumbo playing cards at my local thrift store. I was just, I think this side, delighted to find them because they are enormous. I mean, these guys are at least half a size bigger than a regular size. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand, only barely. So I was really delighted to find these, and of course there are tons in here, so I'm going to be playing a lot with them. But I also wanted to, so obviously a find, also wanted to mention, you know, when you get those credit card deals and, oh, you're pre-approved for this credit card, and, you know, just fill out all these forms and you'll get this wonderful credit card. And I get stacks of them in the mail, and I throw them out, up, shred them. But just recently I thought that was silly. I should keep them because they make a great base for an ATC, a small ATC, but still. So there's, you know, Disney from Chase Bank and Alaska and Capital One, and just these were, I'll keep those. These are insurance cards. More Capital One, more Visa, Alaska, more Capital One, and just so many. And it's just a piece of cardboard, you know, they're not real cards, but they do make really great bases for an ATC. So let me show you what I did. First, with the very large jumbo card, I decided to collage the front of it. Let me move these out the way so they don't become a distraction. So I decided to collage on the front, and it's just kind of a loose butterfly theme, and just, I really like how it came out. Got some 3D elements here. Sorry, let me go down, maybe you can see better. There we go. Some 3D stickers. Here's a 3D maple leaf, and then when I turned it over, I decided to put, this is a little ATC type journaling card that I did, and I'll put the link for this video in the description below if you want to go and have a look at that and make your own. And so I pasted it on the back of the card and actually made a pocket out of it and themed this card around kindness. So kindness is, and then the little insert is, kind words cost nothing. And so this is just a little bookmark that I was able to just pop in there, and I think I probably need a little glue. I think I'm coming undone at the bottom there, but yeah, so super easy, guys. I will put the link for that down in the bottom, and the collage on the top. Lovely little card. Now for these little sort of Visa goodies, I did something else I was going to keep. Oh yeah, I do. I did a video a while back on how I create this sort of negative space type artist's I don't know what to call it. Art, just art. Anyway, so here are the heart ones, and I will put the link for the video of this one, video of mine as well, if you want to go ahead and do your own. It's super easy, lots of fun. And this was the floral one, and so I decided to use this on the one side and to add a couple of little faux flowers with some sparkles in the middle. What do you call those things? Sequins in the middle, just for a little sparkle. And then on this side, I decided to do a little cluster, and I did leave a space. So obviously it's not going to be this one because this is too big, but I did leave a space in my cluster so I could put a little something in there if I wanted to. Let me just get this back in here. There we go. And then for the paper that I put on the back, guys, if you ever get these envelopes, I know we all get these envelopes, right? On the inside is always this really nice paper pattern, and I know this is for security, so you can't see what's in the envelope, but that makes really nice paper to use on something like this. You'll notice they're the same, right? Put it under the light, you can see. So just a little cluster, and you could put a tiny little tag in there if you want to. I put some lines in the top so that you can maybe put a little sentiment there if you want. Otherwise, this is just a lovely little trading card to put in your journal. So that is it. I used this fantastic find. I decided to keep all the junk mail bits and pieces, and got some artist trading cards out of it. So this is going to be one of my Deck the Year submissions at, I think it's, I'm so bad with names, guys, I'm so sorry. I think it's Penny's Crafty Creations. She has got a Deck the Year challenge, so please go and check her out. She makes the most amazing cards, and everybody else, of course, who's part of this challenge. So all right, that was my show and tell for today. I hope it inspired you to do a little collage, keep some of your junk mail, and go thrifting. And we'll see you next time. Bye.